Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And this is the sixth session of the full supply chain management course. In this, we are going to complete scope of supply chain management activity. So, what are the scope of supply chain management activities? Scope means that the level, or we can say the age, we have to pass through these activities, which are the most important when starting to end. Okay, so we can say these are the end-to-end procedure. You may heard this question in many times, the scope of supply chain management. Okay, so this scope of supply chain management is the entire activity of the supply chain management. Okay, so we will understand one by one. Okay, so scope of supply chain activities are include sourcing and procurements. Okay, so if this process start from the sourcing and procurements. For the manufacturing process, you need to source the raw material and packing material. So after sourcing, this process go for the production. Okay, so this is the part of sourcing and procurement. So now production, scheduling, and manufacturing. So once this process has been done and you start getting the order from the customer. So as per order, you need to make ready goods for delivery. So this comes under the production and manufacturing process. Now this goods has been ready and now order need to process. So how you will process the order? As per the order, you need to check out whether what kind of goods are asked by the customer. So as per that particular order, you need to process the order. Okay, just like a customer asking about the red colors, then uh, you need to make ready goods for it's the same color which asked by the customer. So this is called the order processing. Okay, so this order processing is not only start from and start, but this is initially level. We receive the order, then we inform the production team. The production team arrange the production and make ready good for dispatch. Then we need to arrange the transportation by the transport team. Okay, so this is called the order processing. Now inventory management. Inventory management is the very important part in the supply chain management. Inventory management is will help to stabilize the demand and supply and management the cost of this. Okay, the fluctuation the demand will be managed by the will manage and stabilize by the inventory management. Just sometimes you may receive the uh, high demands order. Okay, so at per that you increase the production, and sometimes you receive the low order, and we can say uh, short order. Okay, so in such case you need to reduce the production. Okay, so this is the very important activities. Warehousing. For the seasonal level, you may understand that the order level will increase, demand level will increase by the customer. So for that particular process, need to warehousing the product so that once receive the order, you can immediately dispatch the goods and no delay, and at real time you deliver the goods. So this is called the warehousing. Now customer service. Customer service is the very important factors where you need to understand what is the feedback given by the customer regarding the product. So you time to time you have to visit the customer and understand what requirement of the product. Okay, need to adapt product are updated, or we can say product need to be changed as per the customer requirement. So here many things we need to comes under this customer service. If you have a good customer service department, then your supply chain management will be strong, because that they are connected with the customer and understanding what are the main requirement of the customer. Okay, so this is the very important um, department, can say, or we can say the team. So customer relationship is very important regarding the product. Okay, so by help of customer relationship or customer service, you will know actual representation, or we can say actual demand and actual feedback from the customer. Now distribution. So distribution is the part where we have to understand a specific area, what will be the distribution channel of the product supply to the customer. Now you have given the under this distribution of the Rajasthan, you need to understand how many wholesaler need to be appointed. Okay, how many retailer to be appointed, how many distributor to be appointed. So this thing need to understand in the such a strategy that work will be done in right way. Okay, so now reverse logistic. Sometime you may have seen that reverse logistic is very important. Just like using the glass bottle of the Coke and Pepsi, this bottle becomes reverse to the factory. After washing, they will refill. So in reverse process, you have to arrange this strategy in such way that the materials come in the right way. Okay. Sometimes you have drink the cold drink where the shop. So if you want to buy the glass bottle, then you have to pay more extra charges for that. And for that, you will try to have a cold drink at the same time and hand over this because to avoid the extra charge. So this the collection of the all empty bottle is sent by manufacturer. So they will again pass through the uh, customer, consumer, then retailer, and the wholesaler, then manufacturer. So this is the reverse logistic. Okay, so incoming and outgoing, we can say inward and outwards procedure. So this is going reverse back, so that's why calling the reverse back. So guys, we today in the session we have tried to understand the scope of supply chain management. So guys, we are going to end the session here. I hope you have learned some good knowledge from the session. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.